check on your neighbors, check on people that you know live alone, that you know are all alone, and make sure that you engage in open, honest dialogue.
September is National Suicide Prevention Month. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for people ages 10 to 44 in Colorado. And our state has the 7th highest suicide rate in the country, according to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. But in a time where we're being asked to stay apart, it's making it even more difficult to show support to those in need.
If you didn't feel alone before, you definitely feel alone now. At different times, I think we've become very isolated, and this has created situations where mental health is so important. And I think more than anything right now, it's important to stay in regular contact with people, to go out on walks, to meditate, to utilize if you have, and I think everybody pretty much has that ability now, for telehealth appointments with their doctors, and just to really reach out to others, because I think more than anything right now, people are feeling more alone than they've ever felt before.
But Lori Harper is looking at the positives.
You know, we're amid unprecedented public health crisis, and we have also an extraordinary opportunity to come together right now as a community. And I think that we can either look at it and say, woe is me, and this is terrible, or we can look at it and say, whoa, this is an opportunity to really get involved and to bring mental health to the forefront, just like we do with our physical health.
And even though annual suicide prevention walks look a little different this year,
it's a very emotional walk. And I think with me, at least when I lost my daughter, you feel like you're the only person that's going through it. And when you have this event, you look around and you realize you're not alone, and that there's other people that are either facing it or have faced it.
The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention is still finding ways to offer the community support.
The event is going to look a lot different this year. Number one, all the volunteers will be in masks, and they will also be wearing gloves, so that anything that's handed back and forth between the cars and the volunteers, we're following all the safety procedures that we've been working closely with the city of Denver and with the Rockies Stadium, with the Coors Stadium staff. And so the participants will come down the ramp, and they will stay in their car the entire time.
The Drive to Fight Suicide is Sunday, September 27th at the Coors Field parking lot. It's free to register online at afsp.org.
Even though they're not walking, they're not getting hugs. We're a big hugger group in the AFSP, and as many people have said, it's not a club you want to be in, but once you're in it, you meet some incredible people, and you see a lot of strength, and you support each other.
For Denver 7, I'm Lex Pincus.